Hi guys, in this session we would like to understand JavaFX application lifecycle and JavaFX first application. Let's dive into the important classes of the development of JavaFX application. A JavaFX application must be a subclass of application class which is packaged in JavaFX.application. Application class is available in JavaFX.application package. So every JavaFX application which is developed must extended with application class from JavaFX.application package. The application class which contains three different lifecycle methods that your application can override. The first method is init method. Second method is abstract voice start method which contains argument of stage object, and third method is stop method. Voice start method which would like to implement definitely in the subclasses of JavaFX.application class. Now we would like to understand step-by-step procedure for development of JavaFX application. The first step is creation of JavaFX application class. Let us define a public class which is named with sample JavaFX which extending with application class. So every JavaFX application which is defined that extends with the application class, and that class should be public class. Definitely we have to implement one important method in application class, that is start method. We need to implement the start method definitely. If you are not implementing start method, the program which gets error. The second step is creating a group object in start method. The group object which is created for arranging graphical user interface elements which are created in the start method. The next step is creating a scene object. The scene object which is created by creating object for the scene class which is imported from JavaFX.scene package. How the scene object is created is scene object is equal to new scene of respect to root object of the group class, and next we will specify the size of the scene presented on the executed JavaFX application. The 600 specifies the width of the scene created. The 300 specifies the height of the screen which is displayed while executing the JavaFX application. The step 4 is once after creation of the scene object to the stage, we have to add the title. The title of the stage which is added by calling set title method. We can able to mention any title, that depends on our wish. Next, after adding title for the stage object created, we have to call the set scene method in order to adding the scene. After adding scene object, in the next step we would like to call the show method from the stage object in order to display the presentation, in order to present the stage object from the execution of the JavaFX application. Finally, after completion of these steps in start method, in the next step we would like to define main method. In the main method we will call launch args method in order to launching of JavaFX application. The step 7 what we define now is that is completely optional. If you are not calling launch method and if you are not defining main method, also JavaFX application is executed perfectly. Calling of launch method is completely optional. And next we would like to see the how to develop the JavaFX application. What is the important steps referred in JavaFX application development? The first step is importing of packages. What are the packages are imported for development of JavaFX application is first one is JavaFX.application package that contains the application class. Next, importing of group class from JavaFX.scene, importing of scene class from the JavaFX.scene package. Next, importing of paint.color class in order to specify the color for the scene. Next, importing of stage class from JavaFX.stage class. Next, we would like to go for defining the JavaFX application. What are the steps followed? What are the steps defined in previous? The same steps are followed in order to develop the JavaFX application. As usual, every JavaFX application extending with the application class. Here also we are showing same thing. We are defining class as a public class and JavaFX application name for this program we are taking is sample JavaFX, which is extending the application class. Next, we are overriding the start method having argument of the stage object which throwing the exception. Next, we are going for creating a group object. After creation of group object, next we are going for creation of scene object. Next, we are going for calling setFill method and the color for the scene we are mentioning in the program as brown. Next, we are setting the title by calling from the stage object. Next, we are setting the scene by calling from the stage object and calling setScene method in order to set the scene for the stage object. Next, we are calling show method in order to display the scene on the stage. Next, optional method we are defining main method in order to launch the application. So this is a basic JavaFX application development. And next, the two steps which are required in order to compile JavaFX application is for compiling JavaFX application is JavaC sample JavaFX.java. Next, Java sample JavaFX for running the application. So now we will take the same program from Notepad++ editor in order to compile and execute. The same program what we demonstrated, we are taking from the Notepad++ application. Next, we would like to go for executing application. So in the program, we mentioned color of scene is brown color. After execution of this program, we would like to change the color as well as title also in order to show the different colors as well as the title. And next, we can resize the scene also. Now we have to execute the program. JavaC sample JavaFX.java Java sample JavaFX. Now JavaFX sample application is running and showing with brown color. A separate graphical interface window is displayed. This is the way the graphical interface window is displayed with the mentioned size from the program and displayed in the brown color. Now we would like to change the color to the orange color and resizing width to the 900. Next, we would like to change the title JavaFX more rich internet applications. Now we save the program, compile the program. While compiling the program what we executed already, we close that. When we are closing this application, the execution is called from the stop method. In the program we didn't write anything regarding stop method, so that's why nothing is executed. Now again we have to compile the program. We run the program. Now the scene is displayed with orange color, that is 900, 900, and title of the JavaFX application is displayed as JavaFX more rich internet application. How we changed in the title in the program, in the same way the title is displayed. Now we would like to go with changing of color with blue, and change the size to the 700 and 700. Now compile the program and run the program. This is the way JavaFX application. Now it is executed. The scene with 700 width and 700 height, 700 pixels of width and 700 pixels of height, and title is displayed as JavaFX more rich internet application. This is the way we demonstrated the first JavaFX application, and in the next session we would like to understand the JavaFX life cycle. Thank you for watching my presentation. We'll meet again in next session.